Mango, an anti-aging fruit. Learn about all its benefits. The mango is a fruit that comes to us from Asia, which is currently grown in tropical regions. Mangoes not only have a delicious flavor, but they are also highly nutritious and extremely healthy. Therefore, the mango is also known as a superfruit. Here is some information on its many benefits. The mango helps to boost the body's immune system. Mangoes contain high quantities of beta-carotene, a protein that is also abundant in carrots. This composite in the mango is useful for improving the body's immune system. The beta-carotene turns into vitamin inside the body. Vitamin A is an antioxidant vitamin and it protects the body from free radicals that harm our internal system. Thus, it helps to protect us from many illnesses. The mango acts as an anti-aging food. Mangoes contain high quantities of vitamin A and vitamin C. Vitamin C plays an important role in aiding in the production of collagen protein within the body. This helps in the preservation of blood vessels and connective tissue in the body, which slows down the skin's aging process. The mango helps to maintain a healthy brain. Mangoes contain a rich amount of vitamin B6, which is important for maintaining and improving brain function. Additionally, it helps in the synthesis of key neurotransmitters that are responsible for determining mood and changes in sleeping patterns. Natural foods, like mangoes, provide sufficient amounts of this vitamin and thus it is not necessary to ingest these vitamins using supplements, which in high doses can cause nerve damage. Mangoes reduce blood pressure. Mangoes help to reduce blood pressure. They contain magnesium and potassium minerals that act together to help reduce blood pressure. Mangoes should be consumed in large quantities by people who suffer from high blood pressure. Mangoes reduce cholesterol levels. Mangoes contain large amounts of pectin. This soluble fiber is famous for its properties in the reduction of cholesterol levels in the blood. Therefore, you should eat mangoes to lower your level of cholesterol. Mangoes help in the treatment of anemia. Another significant health benefit of mangoes is that they help in the treatment of deficiency diseases, such as anemia. Mangoes contain excellent amounts of iron which helps to combat anemia. Thus, the regular and sufficient consumption of mangoes helps to treat this disease. There you have it. The next time you feel hungry, instead of eating a snack high in calories and foods high in fats, try to satisfy your hunger with a mango. This fruit will not only satiate your cravings without adding additional fats and calories to your diet, but rather it will also provide you with a plethora of nutrients that will help you to be healthier.